Hello, and welcome to the Veeam Talks channel for sales professionals. My name is Will. Today, we are going to talk about the value of Enterprise Edition within our Veeam products. A growing number of companies either have or are developing their own multi-cloud strategy. Sounds like a dream come true for, a company that specializes in cloud backup. But while it may seem like more customers would turn into more profits, which would turn into more innovations, which would create more solutions, which would create more incentive to sell, which would create more customers, there are still challenges inherent to guaranteeing that data and applications are always available to all users, all devices within private, public, and hybrid cloud environments. New challenges are making themselves known. End users are becoming ever more demanding. Ransomware and other security threats are impacting businesses in profound ways. And business owners are fighting an uphill battle to innovate constantly and deliver seamless digital services to improve competitiveness. Joining us today to break down his experiences with these challenges, Simon Hinckley, an IT manager for a musical instruments company and a brand new Veeam customer. So, Simon, why did you go for Veeam?
Thanks, Will. My mission is to deliver the confidence to the business that all data in my company is secure and instantly recoverable. I have to ensure the security of our data from a systemic perspective. I have to secure our patents and designs, back them up safely, and I need to prove I can recover everything in our data ecosystem wherever it is. Otherwise, we can't be certain that our data is protected at all times, from outages, attack, loss, or theft. Now, I had heard a lot of great things about Veeam, primarily from friends who were part of IT teams at larger companies. They showed me the Veeam website, took me to Veeam-sponsored events, and helped me conduct my own searches on Veeam's reliability, ease of use, and flexibility. I was ready to set up multiple solutions to handle my company's backup needs, but Veeam is able to protect physical and cloud-based workloads with special Veeam agents from Microsoft Windows, Linux, and AIX and Solaris as well. So yeah, Veeam, it's a slam dunk.
Wow, Simon, thanks! That is quite the endorsement. Now, can you tell us more about why you chose specifically Veeam Enterprise Edition?
Sure. Again, for me, Veeam Backup and Replication provided me and my team the best backup solution in terms of value and offering. Nothing else on the market comes close to the vast range of features Veeam offers with the Enterprise Edition that make the backup and restore process seamless. We needed to be able to launch a full VM recovery instantly and achieve file-level access at the same speed in case of emergencies. After all, in a situation where all of our data could be lost, management tends to get, worried. And having recovery capabilities completely in tandem with our security only bolstered the team's confidence in Veeam.
It sounds like you and your team have gotten to test a lot of what Veeam has to offer. How did you manage to do that?
Oh, we got it all covered in Veeam Data Labs. In that sandbox environment, we were able to mimic how to recover our data and experience Veeam speed for full VM recovery, instant VM recovery, and instant file level recovery. And we can't forget about the Veeam Explorers for storage snapshots. Also, with Sure Backup, my team has the ability to test and verify every backed up VM for recoverability, just by running the VM directly from the backup file. Can you believe we aren't required to do a full VM restore now?
Well, yes. I work at Veeam, so you know what? Keep going.
Next, the on-demand sandbox. It's so useful to run one or more VMs directly from a backup in an isolated environment, and the ability to troubleshoot, test, and train on a working copy of the production environment without impacting business operations is phenomenal. Thanks to Update 4, we are making use of the new Veeam Data Labs Secure Restore and Staged Restore. Secure Restore ensures the removal of sensitive data before migrating backups to production. Staged Restore ensures the removal of sensitive data, such as GDPR Right to be Forgotten Article 17, before migrating backups to production. Native tape support was still a big need. We like the tight integration with backup jobs and support a full tracking of VMs and restore points on tape. And of course, the Veeam Explorers for AD, SQL, Exchange, and SharePoint are an added value for my organization.
So, what is the next big thing for you and your team in terms of development and improvement in your IT?
My team and I all agree. We want to move more aggressively into the cloud. If we can add the ability to more easily move data into on-premises and cloud-based object storage solutions for low-cost, long-term retention, and expand the ability to move workloads in and out of the cloud, then I think we can really optimize IT agility and lower any perceived risk of moving to the cloud. It won't be an overnight process, but by making it easier to relocate workloads from an on-premises to the cloud and back, I think we'll ease a lot of fears in the company about how we host intellectual property or special patents.
Thank you, Simon. I'm glad that you're happy with the Enterprise Edition, and hopefully we can bring you back soon to talk about other amazing things you and your team are doing. Stay tuned for the next Veeam Talk to learn how Veeam can bring even more value to you. Be familiar with the comparison. We also highly recommend looking through Veeam customer success stories on veeam.com.